To set up HSBC online banking and register for phone banking, follow these steps. First, ensure you have an active HSBC account and a mobile phone or computer with internet access. Begin by visiting the HSBC website and clicking on the Register for Online Banking option. You will be prompted to enter your account details, including your account number and debit card number. Next, create a username and password for your online banking account, making sure to choose a secure and unique combination. You will also need to set up security questions and answers to provide an additional layer of protection. After submitting your registration, you will receive a verification code via text message or email. Enter this code to complete the registration process and activate your online banking account. To register for HSBC phone banking, call the HSBC phone banking hotline and follow the automated prompts to enter your account details and create a telephone banking password. This will allow you to access your account information and perform transactions over the phone. When using online or phone banking, always ensure you are using a secure connection and keep your login credentials confidential. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to HSBC immediately. By following these steps, you can easily set up HSBC online banking and register for phone banking, providing you with convenient and secure access to your account information and transactions.